This is the AI News Flash for February 28th, 4 a.m. UTC. First up, OpenAI has reached a deal to deploy its AI models on the U.S. Department of Defense classified network. The agreement comes immediately after Anthropic was designated a supply chain risk and banned from government use by President Trump. CEO Sam Altman said the Pentagon displayed a deep respect for safety, noting two key red lines were agreed upon: a prohibition on domestic mass surveillance and a requirement for human responsibility in the use of force, including autonomous weapons systems. Unlike the demands made of Anthropic, the Pentagon accepted OpenAI's safety conditions, positioning the company as a central AI provider for the U.S. military. Next, the Wall Street Journal reports exclusively that NVIDIA is planning a new processor designed to speed up AI processing. The chip is being developed for major customers, including OpenAI, aiming to enable faster and more efficient AI system development. The report suggests this new chip could shake up the computing market, adding to NVIDIA's existing Vera Rubin platform roadmap. Third, Google DeepMind has introduced Unified Latents, a new machine learning framework for training latent diffusion models. The framework jointly regularizes latent representations using a diffusion prior and decoder, replacing manual KL divergence penalties with a mathematically bounded objective. On ImageNet 512, it achieves a competitive fit of 1.4. On the Kinetic 600 video benchmark, it sets a new state-of-the-art FVD of 1.3, all while requiring fewer training flops than models trained on stable diffusion latents. Finally, India has disrupted access to Supabase, a popular open-source backend platform used by developers worldwide. The blocking order affects India's large developer community, which relies heavily on the platform for building applications. India has been tightening regulations on digital platforms, and this move targeting developer tools represents a concerning new frontier in digital sovereignty enforcement. That's all for this AI News Flash.